In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a video in Descript using transcript-based editing. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to web.descript.com. Since Descript runs smoothly in a browser, Chrome is a good choice for keeping the experience stable and responsive while you edit. Once the site loads, sign in to your account if needed and open a new project so you have a clean workspace ready for your footage. Next, upload your raw video file by dragging it directly into the new project window. This is one of the easiest parts of the process. As soon as you drop the file in, Descript will begin importing it and generating a text transcript from the spoken audio. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish processing. The transcript is what makes this workflow so efficient because instead of editing only through a traditional timeline, you can also edit the video by working with the text of what was said. Once the transcript appears, begin editing your video by cutting, deleting, or rearranging the generated text. This is where Descript really stands out. If you remove a sentence or a section from the transcript, Descript removes that same portion from the video as well. That means you can clean up mistakes, remove pauses, tighten up your delivery, or restructure parts of your content simply by editing the words on screen. If you want to move a section to a different spot, you can rearrange the transcript to match the flow you want in the final video. As you work, keep an eye on the playback to make sure the edits sound natural and the pacing feels smooth. After your main edits are complete, add visual elements by clicking the media icon on the top panel. From there, you can insert titles, captions, or stock overlays onto your timeline. These visual elements help make your video clearer and more engaging. Titles can introduce a topic or section, captions can improve accessibility and viewer retention, and overlays can add visual interest without requiring extra footage. Place each element carefully so it supports the message instead of distracting from it. When everything looks the way you want, review your project from beginning to end to make sure the transcript, edits, visuals, and timing all work together smoothly. That's the basic process for editing a video in Descript quickly and efficiently using transcript-based tools.